Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. The two sides in the Yemen conflict have agreed to exchange hundreds of prisoners, but they've also accused each other of violating a 7-day ceasefire that began at midday on Tuesday. Delegations representing Yemen's President Abd Rabbu Mansur Hadi and the Houthis are meeting in Switzerland, the UN sponsoring the talks to try to end the war that's killed nearly 6,000 people. It began in March when the Houthis launched an offensive to depose the Hadi government. Houthis are allied with Iran, while a Saudi Arabia coalition backs fighters loyal to the president. US Secretary of Defense Ashton has made an unannounced visit to Baghdad. He plans to meet US commanders as well as Iraqi leaders as he looks to expand US assistance to Iraq in the fight to defeat Daesh. Carter's sought to expand the role of other coalition members while redeploying US troops in Iraq to perform more specialised roles. Israeli soldiers have raided a refugee camp near Ramallah and shot dead 2 Palestinians. The deaths sparked clashes in Qalandia camp. The Palestinian Health Ministry confirmed the deaths and said 4 Palestinians were wounded. The Israeli army said the Palestinians tried to ram their cars into troops in 2 areas of the camp. It said 3 soldiers were also wounded. Violence in Israel and the occupied territories began escalating in October. Since then, Israelis have killed 125 Palestinians, while 19 Israelis have been killed by Palestinians. Facebook has amended its controversial real name policy. The social network has been criticised by transgender people, victims of domestic abuse and rights groups. The company said it would still require verifiable names linked to accounts, but that it would attempt to be more compassionate. Changes include a new system for a user to respond to a flagged profile and the prevention of Facebook to change a username without consent. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.